Hi everybody, good morning. I'm back here again with another prediction. Right now I'm doing zodiac signs. I'm taking one sign and doing the psychic tarot for it. So I'm starting with Aries. I'll put them up as different videos. So whoever belongs to whatever sign, under which sign you come, you can see that. So first I'm going to start with Aries. This is my first zodiac sign that I always start with. Aries is March 21st to April 19th. I'm taking it through the astrology zodiac sign. Normally, a lot of people have different dates. They might go, they might end a little up and down. Like it could be one day minus plus 1 day. So I'm seeing this site which says 12 astrology zodiac signs, and I'm using that. So for me, it is Aries is March 21st to April 19th. See which. Where your birthday falls, and accordingly see that. And sometimes you fall at the end or at the beginning of a sign, so you also have characteristics or traits of that sign. So see a sun, moon, rising, or read about that sign and see which one resonates more with you. You closer to which sign and what traits define you according to that sign. Read that. So for Aries, let me see what are the cards. So I was doing channel messages also. So for Aries, I got music. I've written music here, guys. It's very light. I don't know if you can read it or not. This is music. Listen to music. Music relaxes you. You find music wonderful. I also feel that some of you like singing, or some of you like playing an instrument or something to do with music. Or I also feel that you suddenly are showing an interest in music, or you've downloaded an app, a musical app where you can sing along. So Aries, if this is true for any one of you, do comment. So these are general messages, might or might not resonate, guys. Always remember that. And maybe all the cards resonate with you, only one card resonates with you. So whatever, because it's a general reading, I always say that. And in the end, you have a free will to act. So whatever, we can give you guidances. All the tarot readers or the psychic readers can give you guidances, but you have to act with your free will and whatever is right for you. So let me see what is the first card. Completion. Aries first is completion. Something is coming to completion at the end. Something that began an idea or a relationship, or something is coming to completion. It could be an online course, it could be anything, it could be a class, a cooking class, or it could be something that you started, a book probably, and is coming to completion, or something that's like a philosophical book and it taught you something new in life. Something you thought is coming to completion. Completion is also good, it's coming to an end. Not necessarily that relationship is coming to an end. This is something to do with that. Yes, something that you started is coming, finally is coming to an end, and you're happy about it. I think it's a happy card. There's nothing negative that I get from it. So guys, something that you began probably a few months ago is coming to completion, and that's your first card, Aries. I'm going to hold up all your cards later. Let me see what are the other messages for Aries. New beginning. So this is so true, guys, because I shuffled the cards and I kept them and I didn't see any of the cards, and this is the first time I'm seeing all these cards, and I haven't even seen which card, because I picked up 3 piles today and already made 3 different piles. So I had started with Aries. The next reading is Taurus, but this is for Aries. Something comes to completion, guys, and there is a new beginning. So whatever you thought is complete now, and your role is over there. Maybe it's a job also, that one job is ended, or probably one position is ended, and you're ready to take on the new responsibilities. And guys, when I was saying this, I just looked at the time. I looked at the time. The counter is running. It said 333. So that's another channel message for you. That's an angel's number. So see how is it resonating? 333, three times. It becomes more powerful when it's multiplied 3 times. So see what is the message there for you. So this is completion, and guys, there is something new that's coming for you. It could be a new job, it could be a new relationship, it could be something new that you completed learning this, and right now you started probably a YouTube channel, or selling something online, or making something. I don't know why you go to deal with clothes also. I get something to do with creativity, making new kind of clothes, or something, using your creativity to make something different, normally that people have not seen. And so your new beginning is coming. That's a nice card, Aries. And like I said, music was your channel message, and orange was the color that I got, because I wrote it on orange. It's very orange right now. It's very peach, and it's a very orange color, because there's a lot of light coming in and it's kind of changing color. So I'm just holding it up for you. So let's see what is the third thing. So there is completion, there is new beginning, Aries. There's a promise. You promised yourself that you're going to start something new. The promise of a new relationship. I love it when it's a story. I feel so happy, guys. Like you said, something has come to a completion. There is a new beginning, and if it's a relationship or I feel some kind of a partnership, you started something new in business, and there is some new kind of a partnership you formed with someone. So there are new promises in that. Anything that you do, it's also new beginning. This something is ending, and you guys have made a promise to each other that we're going to begin new, or probably. If you are in a relationship and things weren't going well, so you've promised each other that we will make things right and let's make it a new beginning, and it's all about a new moon, a new beginning, and promises are kept here. So partnerships, I feel relationships, or getting back to your family if you were not talking to any family member, could be a best friend. So new promises were made, and you said, I cannot lose you. You're very important to me, and let's start something new. And with new promises, and looking at the thing with, like I say, with new eyes, rejuvenation, renewing. That's renewal. Those are the words that are coming to me for you guys. So let's see what is the next one, because I haven't seen the cards. I just put them in a pile. I shuffled them and made a pile. So this one is actually making a story, and I love it when it's making a story. That means the spirit guides are guiding you, and channeling messages. Somewhere you lost the strength, because I got it reversed, and I'm going to read it reversed. Number 5 is important for you, though I'm putting it in upright position so you guys can see. I'm also getting a very Leo energy. Pisces, you were dealing with the Leo, and I think while you were dealing with the Leo, you did use up a lot of energy, and things weren't going right, and that's why you were losing strength. You were losing confidence if you were dealing with a Leo. Aries, if you were dealing with a Leo, so probably you lost all that confidence. Like I said before, you were number 5, but it's been 50 days that you haven't spoken to each other, and because my slip of tongue did say 15, so it could do with something with 15 days, or you've not spoken to each other for 15 weeks, or 15 could also be that probably you've given a timeline that if in 15 days it doesn't things don't work out between you and the Leo, or the person that you're dealing with could be a Leo, like I'm saying. So you probably would want to end this relationship, and the other cards are showing that there is going to be a new beginning for you. New things are going to happen. See, you were anxious, and this came up, right? So this is so true. Only your new beginning promises something new will happen only when this thing ends, and you stop thinking about it and stop being anxious. And yes, number 9, you're also dealing with number 9, I get. And I also see that you have been very anxious, thinking, should I go ahead with the relationship? It could be a job also, because this is a general reading, and I'm not just doing a relationship, guys. So this could be a general thing, like it could be a job, it could be any money matter, or should I go ahead with the money situation or not, or it's or there is a lot of burden on your head. If it's a money situation, you are feeling anxious and you losing your strength. But guys, I really feel this is a job situation. I really feel this is a very relationship reading, both of them. Yeah, money is there, probably that's a money constraint, or money is not coming to you and you're anxious about it, that my money is getting the sources are getting depleted, so how will I manage more money? And the situation is stressful right now for COVID. So this is I think making you anxious right now. So it could be that you were anxious and you did end that relationship, and yeah, probably the promises made were not kept. This is another way of interpreting it, guys, because this is a general reading. I'll interpret it in a lot of ways, so it at least resonates with you guys in whatever way. It could be ending of a relationship, like I said, completion and beginning, or a job, and something is coming. A new beginnings are here, so that's nice. So probably you were anxious about, you've ended something, you didn't have the strength to deal with it anymore. Because this card came reversed, you didn't have the strength to deal with it anymore, and you said, why not end it and give another person a chance, or give another job a new chance, or something a new chance. So let's see what are the other energy oracle cards. See, it came reversed. So which means it says value your self-worth. You're not valuing your self-worth. You're not believing in yourself. It says you're God's precious gem. Unless you're going to believe in yourself, you are going to get anxious. You are losing strength, guys. And somebody made your promise was broken, or any situation, your self-worth is going, because this came reversed, guys. This came like this. When I did the reading, I took out the cards for you and kept it in a pile. So guys, if you don't have your self-worth and you're losing all your strength, like if you don't have this self-worth, and there is loss in the whole thing of believing in yourself, or believing that we all have magic inside and we can do magic, new things won't start for you. So guys, just believe in yourself. That's what I said, and I think that's a beautiful card we started with. There are new beginnings, guys. So I think this is a very done situation. This thing is done, that you're not believing in yourself. I think you are not believing in yourself because this came reversed. So I think this situation is gone, and you did go through this maybe, and right now you're feeling much better. You're ready for new beginnings, guys. Let me see what are the other cards now. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, love life. See, I told you this pile is actually a lot to do with love life. It's a lot to do with relationship, Aries, and it says new or renewed romantic love is here for you guys. When I was talking, I don't know if you remember, I just used the word renewed, and I haven't seen this card. So there is a renewed love. There is renewed promises. There is something new, and there are renewed promises. There is something new. See, new promises. So there is new love coming in your life, Aries. So if you had a heartbreak, or if you had a broken heart, you were nursing a broken heart, you've been hurt and you've been crying or something, there is love coming. I get 2 months. I get 2 months, 2 days. I also get the number 22. It's a channel message. So guys, there is new love, new beginnings. See, all of it. There is new love and new beginnings is sitting here very well in this reading, guys. I am so excited about this reading, guys. I get really excited when there is a story forming, and it shows that the blessings are there and spirit guides are guiding. I understand because it's a generating lot of messages. Every card has a different messages, and so many of you are listening to it, and everybody will pick up something different, from the message, or will make a story themselves in their mind according to the situation they are in. Because all of you can't have the same situation. So yes, here it is forming a story. See, let yourself feel all the emotions. You guys suddenly felt cold. You didn't want to feel all the emotions. Maybe you were hurt some kind in some way or the other, and you're like, I'm not going to feel all the emotions. I'm going to block that person. I'm going to block that emotions. Or probably you thought, I'm not going to cry. A lot of us behave in a lot of different ways. When we have a breakup, some of us really cry our heart out, and we feel the pain. Some of us don't really feel the pain. We don't want to think much about it, guys. So here it's saying that your entire rainbow spectrum of feelings is sending you important messages and guidance, guys. It says, please take out all your emotions before you make a new beginning with another person. When new love comes, and you have to feel, you have to, give also. Take out all the emotions you have. You cannot really keep the emotions and feel heavy, and then think that you're going to start a new life or whatever, a new beginning with a loved one or a new person. It's not going to happen. So feel all your emotions right now, and ask help from the divine, or from your fairies, or whoever you believe in, from your spirit guides, and let them heal you, and you also heal yourself, so you're ready for a new relationship. So guys, these are love cards also that I've got, and I haven't seen them, so let me see what they say. Cause and effect. It says that you're aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of the result. So there is a cause and effect. So if probably there is a breakup, or you were not feeling nice, the effect is that you did break up. If it was that there was a lot of love in the relationship, you wouldn't have broken up. So this is like you actually knew that it's causing you a lot of pain, and you need to get away from that person. So that's a love reading. This is the heart, so that's a love message for you guys. Let's see what's another love message. Respect, and came up. It came reverse. So there was no respect in the relationship, guys. That's what I feel. So Aries, for some of you, maybe that's why you gave up on this relationship, or you asked the person to leave, because you really, you were losing yourself. The other person was not really valuing you, and the message here is you value everyone's unique perspective on the path to love. Though you really had a lot of respect for this person, or maybe that person did have a lot of respect for you, but somewhere they were losing respect for you, and you said that that's it. I don't want to take this any further, and let's finish this thing here only. So let me see the last card, freedom, guys. You are free. I'm not reading what it says. For me, the interpretation is you are free. You are free because you knew that there is no respect, and you gave up on this connection, and you knew this connection is not serving. Uh, any any, it's not, there's no higher purpose to this relationship, and it's not doing anything good to you. It's not serving any purpose, or nothing is happening. So you are feeling free now. You are feeling free. So something came to completion, guys, and you are ready. The promises will be made. If promises weren't kept, the new promises will be made. And yes, you did lose the respect, or the person did lose the respect in the relationship. And I think new love is going to be here. I'm just putting them back in a pile. New beginnings are here. I'm going to put this here because that's the most beautiful card in the whole pile. Though there were a lot of good cards, and I think you have to have this trend. Forget about the anxiety. Let's not talk about the anxiety. Let go of anxiety, guys. It serves nothing. It does nothing. And please value yourself. Only when you value yourself will there be new beginnings. So I want to end it with the most beautiful card. There will be new beginnings, guys. And that's an awesome reading for you guys, Aries. And this was for April. This was the end of April, whatever few days are left for April. That is the reading for you, and the music was for you. So make music, or maybe listen to music. Music is going to heal you. I also get the message that music heals you. Listen to your favorite songs, and that's how you feel better. So Aries, this was your reading. Thank you so much, guys, and see you next time. I'm going to come up with another prediction soon, and I'm going to do each zodiac signs, and I'm going to upload them. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. See you.